Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. The question becomes, what do you do in custody when there is a person who's been considered the legal parent of the children, but not necessarily the biological parent? What do I mean by that? Well, the courts have certain discretion. The courts have certain discretion to decide, even if someone is not the biological father, let's say, of a child, if that person has held himself out as the father, if the children have never known anybody else as the father, and now years and years go by and all of a sudden, there's a divorce, what happens? Well, the court can say that the non-biological father, the putative father, still has obligations, still has entitlements. The court has the discretion to do that. And why? Because remember one thing, we always look at what's in the best interest of the children. Is it in the best interest of the children to take somebody who they've always known as their father? To take someone who has always said, I'm the kid's father, who's held himself out as the father? Is it right and does it make sense to essentially bastardize those children and tell them, well, guess what? You don't have a father now because we're making a court ruling. Well, the court has found many, many times it's simply not in the best interest of the children to do that, and therefore we don't do that. What does that mean, though? That means that there may be support obligations, there may be parenting time benefits, all these things that go along with someone who might not necessarily be the biological father. But as you can understand, in such a thing, it's very case specific. One person's case may not have the same value, it may not have the same elements, it may not have the same appeal to the court as a different one. So therefore the court may rule in one situation that there are rights and another one that there aren't. It's going to depend on a lot of variables. If you have questions about that or you've got a case that you think fits into that category, let us know, reach out, and of course we'll be glad to help you out.